Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Marketing Cloud account, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Marketing Cloud login page. You can do this by typing in the URL provided by your organization. Once the page has fully loaded, look for the login fields. Enter your username in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos. Next, locate the password field beneath the username. Carefully enter your password. As a tip, ensure that caps lock is not activated, as passwords are case sensitive. After entering your credentials, find the Login button. This button is usually prominently displayed below the fields. Click on the Login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Marketing Cloud dashboard. In case you experience any errors, review your username and password. If you've forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click this link and follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you are successfully logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Explore the different sections available to you. You are now ready to start using your Marketing Cloud account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.